guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sadie674. So now, can you guess which press I am today? I'm just in the upper side. I can't guess the name, but when you try to see the landscape of the area, you can see when you continue to watch, you see there is the farm. It seems people this side are farmers. They like keeping cattle. I can see there one in the distance. Here there is the river. Take a look, there is a river here. Wow, there are also big stones here. I think you can see. They are very nice. Let me go there. This place is just interesting. There are big rocks, there is the river, there is the farm there. See the trees, you see there up, and then a good place. Oh wow, the place is very good. Stay connected, don't go far away. I'm Sid674. Thank you for following. Don't forget to subscribe. We meet in the next video.